think they're licking each other. Ew. She's giving them kisses.
His notes suggest the double out and stick skills work. Winston told me when I started playing quarterback, I wanted to be the best at it, and I took it seriously. Now,
he was 10 years old when he put that into the notebook. And right now, a guy who started every game in his rookie season, is just going to be this year. Got a great third quarter, and this time he gets sacked at the end.